Hi everyone, I'm Laura, and in today's video, I'm going to show you 5 essential care tips you need to follow for your penis to ensure optimal sexual health. And for those of you who stay until the end, we'll also cover a final 6th tip as a bonus. These 5 tips will essentially summarize what every man should do to avoid STI, sexually transmitted infections, penile cancer, erectile dysfunction, and Crohn's disease. By following them correctly, your sexual health will significantly improve. First tip, keep the penis active. Avoid disuse. This, folks, applies to any organ in the body. The penis, not unlike the brain, leg, or arm, needs to be oxygenated. It needs to receive oxygen frequently to perform its function well. And here we're not just talking about sexual life or masturbation. Patients who don't fit these 2 criteria can, for example, make use of a vacuum penile pump or pelvic physiotherapy to stimulate erection. But a healthy sex life is important so you can stimulate and specifically avoid this disuse, which can compromise the function of your genital organ. Second tip, personal hygiene. This is very important. Although it may seem obvious, we need to reinforce it. Proper hygiene of the penis is of vital importance. Today, Brazil is one of the leading countries in the incidence of penile cancer. The main risk factor for penile cancer is poor hygiene. So proper hygiene with neutral soap, glycerin soap is important, drying well and avoiding secretion buildup. Another important tip regarding proper hygiene is always washing the penis after sexual intercourse, because the vaginal pH is different from the penile pH. This can cause changes in the local flora. Third tip regarding sexual health is for men to be careful regarding sexual intercourse with partial erection when the penis is in a semi-erect state. Why? Because a penis that is partially flaccid and partially erect will be susceptible to repeated microdramas. These microdramas can cause the formation of nodules. These nodules can lead to the curvature we know as PER disease. Fourth tip, and also very important, is to avoid excessive pornography. Excessive pornography can cause sexual desensitization. The patient it's as if they become dependent on the masturbatory stimulus, and this will compromise their sexual health, their performance when they have intercourse with another person. Fifth tip, and this is perhaps the most important, is lifestyle habits. Sexual health is directly related to healthy lifestyle habits, both mental health and physical health, including diet, hydration, and the habits you maintain in your life. Alcohol intake, smoking, folks, remember, is a risk factor specifically for erectile dysfunction and Crohn's disease. So it's very important for the patient to keep in mind that the lifestyle habits they develop will be directly related to their sexual health, their sexual performance. And of course, taking care of habits is essential. But what if, in addition to all this, you could give a natural and direct boost to your sexual performance without relying on medications, without changing your lifestyle, and with much faster results than you imagine? There's a natural 7-second home remedy that has already helped over 60,000 men regain youthful desire, firmness, and potency. If this interests you, point your phone's camera now at the QR code here on the screen, or click the link pinned in the first comment to watch the video that explains everything. It's a valuable complement to everything we're discussing here today, and it could be exactly what was missing to truly transform your intimate life. Now let's go to the last tip. The bonus tip, which many people have never heard of, but it makes all the difference. And that is to create the habit of sleeping without underwear or with loose underwear. This will prevent compression during nocturnal erections. It will prevent trauma to the erect penis from underwear. This type of trauma can create local fibrosis. This fibrosis can develop into curvature, causing Crohn's disease. So, these were the 5 simple yet essential care tips for a healthy sexual life. If you like the content, please like this video, share it. You can post your questions below, and see you next time.